Electronics 101, how to use a breadboard. To begin with, we need to know what a breadboard is. There are a lot of sizes of breadboard, and the most common one is this full-size breadboard. A breadboard is a rectangular plastic board with a bunch of tiny holes in it. These holes allow you to easily insert electronic components to prototype, meaning to build and test an early version of an electronic circuit, such as this one, with a battery, switch, resistor, and LED. Because the connections are not permanent, if you make a mistake, you can easily remove a component. As a result, breadboards are ideal for beginners who are new to electronics. Also, because they do not require soldering to make connections, these breadboards are known as solderless breadboard. What is inside a breadboard? There are rows of tiny metal clips on the inside of a breadboard, making it possible for the leads to be inserted into the breadboard. This is what the clips look like after they've been removed from the breadboard. When you insert the lead of a component into a breadboard hole, one of these clips grabs it. How are the holes connected? If you remember correctly, the breadboard is made of sets of 5 metal clips. This means that each set of 5 holes forming a half row from columns A to E or columns F to J is electrically connected. For example, that means hole A1 is electrically connected to holes B1, C1, V1, and E1, but it is not connected to hole A2 because that hole is in a different row with a separate set of metal clips. It is also not connected to holes F1, G1, H1, I1, or J1 because they are on the other half of the breadboard. The clips are not connected across the gap in the middle. What about the long strips on the side of the breadboard? They are called buses. They are typically used to supply electrical power to your circuit when connected to a battery pack or other external power supply. If you don't have a breadboard yet, you can visit Thinkercad.com and try to experiment with the breadboard there. And as always, keep learning and have fun. Bye!